Tell me about yourself. This question looks easy, but most people fail here.
Yeah, I always get confused when someone asks me that.
Don't worry. Today, we will learn how to answer this question in a simple and smart way.
Yes! No stress, no confusion. Just easy English.
First, start with your basic introduction.
I'm Rahim. I'm 20 years old. I live in Dhaka. Simple, clear. No need to use difficult words.
Yes, keep it short and natural.
Next, talk about what you do. I'm a student. I study in college.
This part is very important. People want to know your daily life. Now add your skills or interests.
I like learning English. I enjoy playing games and watching movies. You can also say your goal. I want to improve my English speaking. Now let's combine everything. Hi, I'm Rahim. I'm 20 years old and I live in Dhaka. I'm a student. I study in college. I like learning English and watching movies. My goal is to speak English fluently.
See? Easy and perfect. Don't make this mistake. Myself, Rahim. I belong from Dhaka.
Correct way. My name is Rahim. I am from Dhaka.
Now it's your turn. Try to answer this question.
Write your answer in the comments.
And don't forget to practice every day.